Hi everyone, welcome back to FIXsage. If your File Explorer is not opening or keeps crashing after a Windows 11 update, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you how to fix it step by step. This issue is common after updates like KB5051987. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support us. Without further ado, let's get started. Open the Task Manager. To open that, hit Ctrl Shift and Escape button. Also, you can open the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Here, we are on the Processes tab. There we have to find Windows Explorer. Let me scroll down or type here Windows Explorer. You will find the process. Right click on that, then select Restart and find whether you are able to open the File Explorer or not. In my case, it's opening. Let me close all windows. If the issue still not fixed in your case, don't worry. Let's go to deeper. Open the command prompt. To open that, go to the Windows search bar and search for CMD. You will find command prompt under best match result. Right click on that, then select Run as administrator. Say yes to continue. Now we have to type few commands, that is sfc /scannow. Hit enter. Wait for the process completes. This process will take couple of minutes, depends on the system disk size. Okay, the scan now has been completed, and then type DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth and hit enter. Guys, I have provided these commands in the video description. Go there, copy and paste directly on the command prompt and wait for the process completes. Once the process completes, exit the command prompt and try to open the File Explorer. Guys, if it's still not working, we have final step. Go to the Windows search bar and search for Settings. Open the Settings app. Go to the Windows Update and check for updates. Make sure you have connected with the internet and updates if any updates are available. Finally, again go to the Windows search bar and search for Storage Settings. Open that. Then make sure you have enabled Storage Sense is checked on. So once you've done that, close the window and restart your system once. And that's it guys. If File Explorer still doesn't work, comment below and I will help you personally. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.